In today's lesson, we want to look at the value of digits. That's where we want to start our lesson. Saka toda kutarisa value of digits. Now, when we are looking at the value of digits, tichange tiri focused on the abacus kana kuti value system yatakadzidza in our previous lesson. So to give the value of a digit, multiply it by its place value. So a revision of what we did in our yesterday lesson, takadzidza pamusoro pe place value, and then takati tine anonzi ma units, tine ma tens, tine ma thousands, tozoita anonzi ma 10,000s, toita ma 100,000s, ndo pataka gumira panapa. Saka kana tichiti units, andika tinenge tichimultiply value iri panapa times 1. Because panotaudzwa kuti to give the value of a digit, you have to multiply it by its place value. So the place value for units inge iri times 1. Then kana iri tens, takuti times 10. Kana iri thousands, takuti times 1000. Kana iri 10,000s, I think it's becoming obvious, times 10,000. Kana iri 100,000s, ichi times 100,000, like that. So let us look at example 3. Then we also do the practice exercise. So takatarisa example 3. Shirikunzi kudini. What is the value of 6 in 456,379? Saka tinotanga taisa this number under the place value system. So we have 456,379. Totangira kuno units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, like this. Truda the value of chi of 6. Saka 6 iranda thousands. Kureva kuti 6 che multiply na 1000. Kureva kuti the value of 6 ingerichi 6,000, like this. Ndozvatinongoita. So if you look at this solution, 6 times 1,000 is equals to 6,000. Multiply by 1,000 because 6 has a value of 1,000. The value of 6 is 6,000. Then, so this was A. B acho, we are using the same tactic. Saka, we have 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, units. Then we have 358,967. Took the value of 3. Of which 3 are under 100,000. So it's 3 times chi 100,000, which gives us chi 300,000. That is the answer. Saka ndo maitiro atinoita multiply by 100,000 because 3 has a value of 100,000. 3 times 100,000 is equal to 300,000. The value of 3 is 300,000. That's how it is done.